Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 1st of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Sagittarius, your channel cards are the Tower card, High Priestess. So I'm getting something going to shock you. I'm getting a reading is going to unfold exactly how the reader said it. Or I'm getting the Tower card. I didn't know you were the High Priestess. Okay, Sagittarius. Yeah, that is your message. Other than that, we are going to go into your channel song, because you know I like to sing here. And believe me, if you don't like my singing, fuck off. No, I'm joking, just skip it. You can go into the reading. Anyways, let us go ahead and play your channel messages, Sagittarius. No, she know. Yeah. Him I know the millions. Me love you for true, but certain things in life me know me not do, eh? So when you see me need to understand, yeah, that you were made for a money man. Now if you can't love me now, don't love me later, when my later is much greater. It only proves that you love the paper. If you can't love me now, don't love me later, when my later is much greater. Cause me no want no impersonator for my paper. Do you really love me? Do you love her? Who introduced you to kissing and hugging and gentle rubbing and sexy touching? I made a girl never want to be the proper loving. Only thing is that him rich than me. Shouldn't have met because of money make you switch for me. So if you leave, boy, nobody come back, because my heart won't offer you no comfort. Tell me if me can't love you now, don't love me later, when my later is much greater. Cause it only proves that you love the paper. If you can't love me now, don't love me later, when my later is much greater. Cause me no want no impersonator from the paper. Mr. Martin has said it. If you can't love me now, don't love me later, when my later is much greater. You want to love me when I'm greater in life. Great. Apparently you and my ex-husband lie saying you wanted to be with me through sickness and in health. The funk, right? So we don't want to impersonate a full paper. You don't love us when we're broke, you don't like us when we're rich. You don't like us when we're low and on our faces. Do not like us when we're laying on our backs. I'm getting, if you don't love me now, don't love me later. Sagittarius, maybe you're telling somebody this. When my later, so maybe somebody don't believe in you. You're a young artist. You're an upcoming aspiring physician. You think somebody don't believe in your dream now. Somebody want to wait till you turn doctor for fuck you, for there with you. She's like, oh, call me back when you finish law school. You should have called me before you fucking start, Sagittarius. I am waiting. I've been waiting for you. I'm waiting. You say you want to wait 2 years. 2 years, you say, oh, okay, we'll wait 2 years. You said 2 years you finish medical school, let you say, right? You never tell me say 2 years you're there with me. You never tell me say 2 years you're gonna have for me. You tell me say you'll finish school, medical school in 2 years. And because you are a nice gentleman and I respect you and I respect your mother, I do not want to be a distraction. I don't want to be a distraction while you're going to school, Sagittarius. So I'll wait the 2 years. You fucking bitches while you're going to medical school. If the answer is yes, then that's very disappointing. You could be fucking me while I go to medical school. But if you're celibate throughout medical school, you say I want to wait 2 years for you. I was fucking half a scar, bro. I was gonna be right back. No, I was waiting on you. I was waiting on your mom to approve the relationship, and I was waiting on you. So my point is, she wanted with you after you finish medical school. Tell a blood clot girl to go away. She wanted to be with you after your music career take off. Tell a girl for go. If you don't love me now, don't love me later. And tell him that. He does not believe in your little YouTube channel, your little makeup tutorial channel. Okay, if he don't love you now, tell him don't love you later. You soon see him want to narrate your blood clot video. He wants to appear in the background of your fucking video. I saw some of them dirty man stay, you know, when them see them girlfriends doing so well online and they did not believe in them. All of a sudden, you just see them as background talent. They just walk past the background, so. Why are you in the background? You could have said, you live there. Because they never believe in what the girl do. But you want your face show, you want people see you. For see that you're not a hater, even though you fucking is. Anyways, if you don't love me now, don't love me later. You don't want to love me when I'm homeless? Don't love me when I get my YouTube plaque. Don't fucking do it. Because believe me, I remember everything. So that's what I mean, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead. Sagittarius, let's go into your birth chart tarot spread. Let us go. Let's see what your self-image is. We have the Page of Cups. I'm getting very sweet, very kind, very gentle. I'm getting you taking things one day at a time. The Page of Cups is not a serious character. It's more so a novice, okay? So I'm getting you taking life one day at a time. What is your value? The Eight of Cups. I'm getting you Jewish. That's your value. Your value... why do you think you should get into this sector? Sweetie, I'm Jewish. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to disrespect you. Come on in, right? You're getting your value is you're Jewish. Or you inherit a Jewish business, something like that. Your communication is a 6 of Wands, yeah. It could be like a community center. I'm getting you serve a lot of clients. Or you have a lot of fans. Whatever work you do. It just could be CDs, maybe you're a musician. I'm getting you have a lot of fans. People love you. I'm getting you very humble. You're very sweet. You're very relatable. Your home life is a hangman. I'm getting there's no home life now. Right now, you're only thinking about the fans. Your production is a 3. Yeah, you're only thinking about the Billie Jeans. If you're thinking about the Billie Jeans, you're thinking about the fucking Billie Jeans. Maybe you're saying to yourself, will I meet the next love of my life through a fan? I feel like you fantasize about meeting your girlfriend and she's your biggest fan or something like that. Either way, I'm getting you don't want a girlfriend because the girlfriend will be jealous of the crowd loving you. I'm getting, you don't want to want a girl now. You love the women, but I'm getting if you have a girlfriend, you don't want your image to look tied down. Basically, your productivity is the Queen of Cups. I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman. This either could be a girlfriend who you have to leave at home for go sign the autographs for other women, or I'm getting your girlfriend is getting very annoyed with your lifestyle now. You're a married man. You're not a single man. And you're telling her, oh, but single man is, well, in Hollywood, they will tell you married men are not marketable. Married women are not marketable. But I'm getting you, I tell you, wives say, oh, it's just the fans, it's just the fans. But I'm getting you, love it. You love when the girl them run up on you and call your name and scream your name, you love it. I'm kind of getting I talked about this already, about when men is 50 years old and when women are 50 years old, them do not look the same, especially if the women are kids. So I know, I'm getting you 50, your wife are 50, you're 50, your wife is 50, you're a musician, but you like the 20, 30-year-old girl then. But you're trying to convince your wife says business is business. It's not fucking business. Your husband look like him frightened for pussy. What is your partnership? The Eight of Cups. We're getting your wife drink at home, or we're getting you drink away your wife's sorrows. Your inheritance is the Two of Swords. So your wife don't even see where the money are go. We're getting your money is pay-per-view. We're getting when you perform, you get the money, and then when you don't perform, you don't get the money. So if your wife bitch at you about girls watching you perform, you're going to tell her, well, how else am I supposed to get money? I'm getting you want to be single right now. And if you don't want to be single, you're getting do not lead this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio if you believe you want to be in a relationship with her. Right now, you're too busy. You're getting you love the fans calling your name more than you love your wife saying, sweetie, it's time for dinner. Your philosophy is a 7 of Cups. Yeah, you're not seeing your behavior. You're not saying your wife. Yeah, neglect your wife. Should that woman drink the whole blood clot evening? Me getting now when you just turn a blind eye. Your wife there sitting down waiting on you while you're on tour with signing other bitches autographs all day, and you're going to have a song inspired. This bitch won't leave me alone. I'm signing bitches today. My wife's calling her family on the phone, right? Me getting, yeah, turn a blind eye to the neglect. Your wife, they home and drink. You don't want to bring your wife with you at your shows. Because that means a girl not go hug you, the girl not go step to you. You want to be a married man or you want to be a star? I don't know why your wife's still standing by your side allowing you to abuse her that way and neglect her. Your ambition is, yeah, you need to be single. If it's a man, you need to let him blood clot. Or am I getting, Me getting your man fuck with some, yeah, your man is fucking with somebody else in the studio. You may be so motherfucking upset because you're gonna be like, how the fuck could you fuck with a ass bitch? The Jewish blood doesn't even come through she. I know, sweetie, but she makes me come. So that's why. I'm joking. Yeah, but I'm getting you neglecting your wife at home. I'm getting your wife is a nice Jewish woman like you, but she don't into whatever you're doing. I'm getting another pentacle is she's into what you're doing. She isn't. So I'm getting you spend more time at work to spend time with this person than this woman. It's very imperative that the person you're with or you're married, them are the same likes as you. Somebody who hates vloggers, but you're there with a man who hates vloggers and you want vlogger. You can't just say you want love over yourself, but you want to go over yourself to achieve your dreams. The love of your life is going to be on the path of your dreams, unless you take one from another path. That's why you can't chase your dreams. You chose a wife or a husband from another path. They weren't on the path of stardom. So now you have a push-pull. Because you have to show attention to the commoners and the fans. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your communication is a 3 of, you will work with this woman. Getting you want to work with her. And that's what you're telling your wife. You're saying it's a business partner. This may be true. Did you tell the wife you're attracted to her? You did not. Okay, great. That's the dangerous part. Maybe you're telling her that you and your wife is not even together. Because I'm getting whatever you do, she can supply you. Or I'm getting one is a match. 2 earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is your inner self? The king of swords is the inner self. Me getting a person here very communicative. Them have ideas like you. Me getting the person you're with is very sweet, but she don't have the same interests as you. She just somebody sitting at the back lines watching you do your shit. Me getting a one partner who come on tour with you, who are still me getting you want somebody to help you. And apparently this Queen of Pentacles is who you want. Over the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Virgo coming out first. Yeah, it could be a Virgo for true. I'm guessing you want a Virgo help you. Need to read my fucking cards. That's what the fuck I need to do, actually. We have awards. Yeah, even shows. Them want to bring up on the red carpet as them business partner. Them I left them wife at home. Jesus Christ. That's so embarrassing. That's more embarrassing than Kerry Washington and that other guy's on-screen relationship. You know, Kerry Washington and the other guy, I don't remember his name, while acting a scandal. He has a wife. I don't know where my wife and Kerry Washington is female wife. I don't know where my take up wife for. Judgment. The Magician. And we got Cancer. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.